Okay, today I'm going to show you how to descale the Breville Barista. First of all, you need to get the tool from out of here. It's this little red one and it holds one of these tablets. Put the tablet in there like that. Put that in the middle of the 2-cup filter. Take the single one filter out, which is what I use all the time. Take that out. Put the double one in and put it straight in to the machine. Back in there like that. Now the reason why you're doing this, of course, is because the blue light's flashing. And to start the process, what you have to do is hold these two buttons, the on and off button and the manual coffee button there, and hold them for 4 seconds. And after 4 seconds, the machine goes straight into an automatic descaling mode. And this is so good, it just does everything itself. Now while that's doing its thing, I'll just leave it to it and I'll edit the video so that you don't have to watch the boring process. Any bits that has to be done, they'll be there for you to see. The cleaning tablets I use are just Cafesa. Just bought them off Amazon. They're not special for the Breville. Seem to do all coffee machines, descale everything. The last coffee machine I had, when I had to descale that, you just have to put a bowl underneath to catch all the water. This one just goes straight into its tray and hardly makes a mess anywhere. And the tray's big enough to keep all the water inside for the whole cleaning process as well, which is another good point. And that's it. I didn't do anything, just press the 2 buttons, the machine did the whole lot itself. You can see the tray is actually full, the floats come up, I haven't had to change it. Only thing I've got to do now is remove the handle and just check the basket to see whether the tablet's been dissolved, and you can see it's all gone, so that's good. All I've got to do now is empty that, wipe it over, put the single basket back in, and I'm good to go. You see your blue light's gone off, coffee machine's all ready to work. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed it, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see some more videos. Thanks for watching.